Where you going?
The beat.
Wala duty si mama kay holiday.
Is it International Day?
No, it's just Philippine Independence Day.
How about your friends?
My friends? You're looking for my friends.
No, the work or not to work.
Oh, I'm not going to work today.
Your friend.
Oh, my friend.
Oh.
Oh, my friends are working today. I don't know if they could come here. Because maybe they spend their time also with their family. Because it's holiday. What do you think?
Mommy?
Just the three of us? Mommy said she wants to go with us? How about you, Sarpi? Did you hear Mommy say mukuyog siya? Mahulat ta dire. Atong tawagan si Mommy. Oh, there's a motor coming. Wow. Hala, na motor. Padaplin mo kay na motor.
I want to go to Mama.
Oh, dali ta. Daplin. Daplin diri oh. Diri nga side. Come on. Dili lang ta mag-soft drinks ha. Something to eat lang. Kana oh.
This one.
Ano pa? Na, isa.
And I want onion rings.
Ito yung
Onion rings.
onion rings daw nang. Fish da, onion rings ug ungkoy.
Kamu na dala anak ka dito, anak ko.
Ay, magkuyog ta. No one will go first. Onya rati kay they are singing. Unsa yun yung gikanta?
World's smallest violin.
A road's smallest violin.
Siguro ba itong takuan?
Every time we say goodbye, baby.
Are you having fun?
1 plus 7 equals 8. Octopus. Equals octopus. Mag-push up ko ma. Oh, pwede ko mag-push up. Napag-usap tayo nag-push up.